how to recover deleted call history. So if you want to recover your deleted call history, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your call or your phone application. Once you open up your call application or your phone application, as you can see that in my case, I don't have any call history right here. So what you need to do is set a backup. If you've not set a backup and if you want to recover your deleted call history, then it's not possible. Unfortunately, you won't be able to recover your deleted call history if you've not set a backup. But now, if you don't want to repeat the same mistake, you can set a backup. So in order to set a backup for your call history, what you need to do is open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you can go with search, and under search, you need to search for SMS Backup and Restore. And this is the application. You can install this application. Once you've installed, you can go with set a backup. And once your backup is completed, it will save all of your call history right here. And after that, even if you delete your call history, it will be still saved in this application. But for now, if you've not set a backup, you won't be able to recover your deleted call history. It's not possible. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.